I've got some late breaking news for you. Just one day before the new Insta360 R is officially announced, I've got 3 photos of what looks like the new camera, and I think you might find them a little bit surprising. Hi, my name's Saab Johal, and thanks for joining me on my channel, which is all about light and easy mobile video making and equipment. Okay, right, let's see what we've got. In this photo, it looks like we see 3 parts of a modular design camera with a main unit, a camera with a recessed lens and what looks like a glass covering, a core unit with what I presume is a touchscreen on the back, and a base which I assume is the battery, that nice red, which the connectors on the other modules, I think that's where they connect into. All right, that's interesting. And do let me know what you're thinking about in the comments below. It's pretty fascinating, and wait till you see the next photo, which I think you're gonna find a little unexpected. In this photo, we see how the main core connects with the camera lens and possibly the sensor module as well, and how they all snap together. We can also see a nice 1R logo on the core unit. Now, what I'm starting to notice here is that this is probably quite a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it seems pretty deep as well. Now, with the kind of branding that a red R suggests like that, makes me think that this camera module may actually have a pretty big sensor, which might help to explain why the low light photo in the trailer looks so good. In this case, the R is going to be high quality, perhaps. And now in this third picture, we start to get a true sense of how it all comes together. And again, I'm struck by how deep the setup is. If it is a 360 module available too, it'll be interesting to see how the stitch is managed with such a deep module. Mind you, the chunkiness of the design gives me some reassurance that this might actually be quite a robust action type camera in one of its configurations. And of course, all the talk is about 3 modules, the 360 lens unit, a 4K capable wide lens, and possibly a 1-inch lens or sensor, no one is sure. And it looks like there will be a dive case or dive cases available, as well as possibly native waterproofing. The official launch isn't far away now. Hope you've enjoyed this sneak preview. Do leave me a comment below to let me know what you think about what you've seen so far, and what you think it means for the overall design and the function of what's possible. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my content. And what about the hinted drone capability? How does that fit in? I'm not really sure. Cheers and go well.